Hi everyone, and a very good morning to my fellow friends and my beloved lecturer, Puan Mariana. Okay, so today we want to talk about our assignment, which is we need to find a once product, and we choose Chocojar. The title for our assignment is Let's Crunch Chocojar Licous. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce my teammates. My name is Putri Shahira binti Nazaidi, and the second one is Nurul Shahira binti Shamsuddin, and third is Nur Yusra binti Sarudin. Last but not least, Nur Shazlin binti Iqbal Shamsul Anwar. Okay, so now I would like to explain the introduction for our product, which is the Absolute Chocolate. Brands out of a common love for baking and making some dessert like cookies and Chocojar. Within 2 months of operations, the local brand started exporting out its first product to Singapore and Brunei. In months, they grew local operations to have over 15 sales agents serving both East and West Malaysia. The duo also has grown in brands presence to over 15 Pretonas outlets in the first years of operations, spreading their love for baking and making dessert across the nations. All desserts are baked fresh day in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so now I want to talk about some story to make a Chocojar. Have you ever thought of selling Chocojar? Well, this is the place if you want to buy a wholesale, and you also can eat yourself and can serve during in big events. Absolute Chocolate, which supplies various types of desserts such as salted cake, white chocolate cake, cookies, and Chocojar. Okay, so now we continue with Nurul Shahira.
Okay, now I will talk about Let's Crunch Chocojar Licous motto, mission, vision, and objective. Their motto is Halal is your top choice. And then their mission is want to be the leading manufacturer and supplier of dessert and ensure that Muslim consumers have an alternative to buy halal food product. Next is their vision. Their vision is offering the best desserts by always focusing on quality in every production before being marketed and improving the economic status of the locals. And then their objective is they have 3 objectives. First one is expanding markets overseas. Number 2 is convert SMEs to commercial. And then the third one is ensure Muslims use clean and halal product. Alright, this is Let's Crunch Chocojar Licous. The fifth slide. Okay, next I will talk about the ingredients. Chocojar Licous have premium chocolate, premium white chocolate, baby crunch, barberized choco barberized rainbow, Cadbury chocolate, Kit Kat, Oreo, Kinder Bueno, Nips, and M&M chocolate. Okay, this is Let's Crunch barberized Chocojar. Okay, this is the packaging.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nur Yusra and I will present about Absolute brands. The location is at Cheras, Wilayah Persekutuan, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, can you see that? Okay, next I will tell you about definition of cost statement. In the cost statement, all of these cost elements, which are direct materials, direct labor, and overhead production, have been calculated to find the cost of good product. All overheads such as administration and sales and distributing additional production expenditure to get a certain amount of production for given period. Cost statement or cost sheet provide management document that state the cost of running a project, running a department, or producing a product in terms of good and material, direct worker, and overhead. Okay, firstly, direct material is referred to raw materials or part used to make product. For example, the raw material for chicken nugget is chicken fillet. Second, labor directly refer to the labor required to create and complete the product. Third, overhead consists of standard related to product implementation such as insurance, utilities, rental, and machine depreciation. And the last one is cost statement also includes sections such as indirect worker that cover indirect worker that represent unavoidable expenses. And the last one, I will tell you about objective of cost statement. Cost accounting objective are cost determination, sales price, recording and presentation of cost data to management to measure efficiency and for cost control and cost reduction, determine profitability of each activity, assist management in making decision and determining solution. The goal is to know how goods, salaries and expenses are spent, classified and allocated so that product and service costs are accurately estimated. This cost may be related to sales and profit. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Nosha Licous, so I will continue Yusra point, which is I will describe by cost responsibility to produce the product. So the direct material that we have is baby crunch, the main item that we need, and the premium milk chocolate. After direct material, we have direct labor, which is our workers' wages. Which is we have 4 workers, 150 per day. Okay. Next we have production overhead. We have the toppings, which is we have Cadbury, Kit Kat, Oreo, Kinder Bueno, Nips, and M&M. So we have administrative, which is the officer. We have 2 workers, 2 officer, which is 1,200 ringgit per month, their wages. And then we have selling and distribution overhead, which is we have advertising, 300 ringgit, 350 ringgit per month. And packaging also 200 ringgit per month. And we have delivery, so we can deliver for our customer, which is 400 per month. Yeah. And then we will continue with cost statement of Let's Crunch Chocojar Licous, which is we have do some cost statement, which is we have to know how much the total cost that we have to spend per year. And then we have statement of cost of good manufactured for the year 31 December 2020. So we have to that I talked about direct material before, which is we have 12,375, and then plus with premium chocolate, which is 50,750 ringgit. And then we got 28,125. And then we plus with the direct labor also, which is we got the prime cost. So the prime cost is 100,125 ringgit. And then we plus with the production overhead, which is our topping, 6,004 plus 4,500 plus 4,000 plus 5,750 and plus 5,000 and 5,000, so we got 30,250 ringgit. So we plus with the prime cost, and then we got manufacturing cost. So we got 130,375 ringgit. And then we plus with the administrative overhead, we got 159,175 ringgit. Then we plus with the 12,000, which is our selling and distribution overhead. So the total cost we got is 171,175 ringgit. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so now I will continue the Shazlin's points and I will explain how to find the break-even points analysis. First, we need to find the fixed cost with the formula administrative overhead plus selling distributions plus production overhead. Okay, so the figure we get is 28,800 plus 12,000 plus 30,250 ringgit, and the total we get is 71,050 ringgit. Okay, so the second step, we need to find the variable cost with the formula prime cost divided to unit sold. The figure is 100,125 divided to 1500 units. So we get 6.67 ringgit. So the third step is selling price with the figure is 20 ringgit. So now we can find the break-even points analysis. So as you can see at the PowerPoint, to find the break-even point analysis, 71,050 ringgit divided to 20 minus 6.67, and we get 5,330 units. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.